New Year, everyone. Here we come right around the corner. A whole new season of gardening and canning and cooking, and we are looking so forward to spending our time with you. Today, it's 22 degrees here in Texas, and we're going to start with baked potato soup today. I go back to work tomorrow, and so I got to have something for lunch. I'm going to make a big old recipe. So starting with 4 very large baking potatoes, and we're going to put these in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour at 350. Okay, our 4 large baking potatoes are ready in the oven, and now we have about 9 slices of thick sliced bacon, and I've cut it up into chunks, and we're going to brown that. And then I have a 3/4 cups of cheddar cheese. I have a 1/2 cup of sour cream. I have 1/2 cup of flour, and I have probably about 1/4 cup of chives, and then I've mixed in for my toppings some of the pepper jack cheese and cheddar cheese that's going to be on top of our potato soup. And I don't remember if I said that you're going to use 6 cups of milk. Let's get started browning the bacon. Okay, we got our bacon in a stock pot, and we're going to brown this up. Okay, my baked potatoes are out of the oven. And now I'm going to scrape the potatoes out of the skins. And they're hot, chihuahua. Okay, you can see I've scraped all my potato out of the potato skins, and I'm going to leave it chunky because we don't want this to turn into a mushy soup. We want to have the chunks in our soup. Smells delicious. Okay, we got our bacon grease going. We're going to add our flour. And we're going to stir this up constantly until we get it thickened a little bit and whisked really good. Oh my goodness, smells so good already. Then we're going to gradually add our milk. We'll turn this down to medium. Okay, we got our milk and our flour added. And we're going to whisk this on medium heat for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and put some salt and pepper in here. Season it to your likings. And now I'm going to add my potatoes. This is what I scraped out of the baked potatoes. This is going to be so good. We don't want to mix it up too hard because we don't want it to be mushy, so I'm going to change out my whisk for a wooden spoon. This smells absolutely delicious. Okay, now we're going to add our bacon. We did take some and put it aside for a garnish, so be sure and save some. We still have this on medium heat. Look how chunky that is. Now we're going to add our cheddar cheese, and we did add a little bit of pepper jack cheese to our mixture because I want a little zing. And put aside a little bit of your cheese as well as a garnish, so you can put it on top of your soup when you're ready to eat it. And then we have our chives and our sour cream on the side. And that's what we will put on the top as well. We're not going to mix the chives and the sour cream in with the soup. It's going to be as a garnish. And here is our delicious finished product. A very hearty baked potato soup for such a cold day. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate you guys, and we hope that you had a safe and happy new year. Take care. God bless. And if you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Take care.